Alright guys, welcome to Revline 89. So today we are working on installing our shaker system. Now hopefully we can get it to work with our hood. Our hood is aftermarket and the system's designed for a stock hood. So you can see I'm hoping we can just get it to fit up in through here and not really have to cut much. But I don't know if it's actually going to work with our hood. So we'll have to see. The only thing, if it does work, we're just gonna have to cut out up in here, so that won't be too big of an issue. What we'll probably do is take off the entire hood to do that, and that shouldn't be an issue. But for now, we're just gonna try and clear away just to see if it'll even fit. Alright, now comes the fun part, trying to get these bolts up in through here. That's going to be fun. Oh my goodness. So now I got this custom tubing that we're going to use. So this is what originally came with it. We're going to use that as well. Alright guys, so like I said before, this is a temporary setup. I thought we had the clamps and stuff that we need. I don't have any more clamps. I don't have any more silicone hose to use. So this is just a quick setup. So here we go. So right now we have the car tuned really high for fuel and air, and apparently the shaker system, it's bulging out, it's not getting enough air. So we're gonna have to retune the car if we want to run the shaker system. So you know, that was the issue. I mean, I'll start it up and you guys can hear it. It's completely fine with our old system back on. so we'll see.